Did you know that horseradish has been used for centuries as a natural remedy? It's packed with antioxidants and can even help boost your immune system. Horseradish is more than just a condiment you add to your favorite dishes for an extra kick. This powerful root vegetable has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can have a significant impact on your health. Horseradish has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and swelling. It's also high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Some studies have even suggested that horseradish may have cancer-fighting abilities, although more research is needed to confirm this. Additionally, horseradish contains compounds that have been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. The health benefits of horseradish can have a real impact on your daily life. For example, its anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for relieving arthritis pain. The high vitamin content can also help boost your energy levels and support overall health. Furthermore, incorporating horseradish into your diet can be easy and delicious. Simply grate it over your favorite dishes or use it as a condiment. Horseradish can even be used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. According to health experts, horseradish is a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Horseradish is a nutrient-dense food that can provide a range of health benefits, says one nutritionist. It's also low in calories and rich in fiber, making it a great choice for those looking to manage their weight. In summary, horseradish is a powerful health booster that deserves attention. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its high vitamin content, this root vegetable has a lot to offer. By incorporating horseradish into your diet, you can take a simple step towards supporting your overall health and wellness. We'd love to hear about your experiences with horseradish. Have you used it as a natural remedy or added it to your favorite dishes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the health benefits of other foods, be sure to check out our video on the amazing health benefits of turmeric.